Welcome to GeorgeWay mathTV.
You guys want to see my picture when I was very little? No, I'm not going to do that. Okay, so we're going to learn about... I hope you didn't see it. Anyway, we're going to learn about rounding decimals. We're getting serious here, okay? We learn about rounding decimals. So when it comes to rounding decimals, this is something that I want you to keep in mind. So let's say this is your decimal point, right? This is just an example. The number that you have right here is your ones. The next one is your tens without a th. The next one is your hundreds without a th. The next one is your thousands without a th. The next one right here is your what? Your 10,000s without a th. And then on the right side, the first one is your tenths with the th. The next one is your hundredths with the th. The next one is your what? Thousands with the th. The next one is your 10,000s with the th, and you go on and on. So if you remember this right here, you should be good. Because this is what happens. Oh, okay. So I have to round this. Round these decimals right here, okay? So this one, I'm supposed to round it to the nearest thousandth. But what I have to just remember that after a decimal point right here, let me just refresh my mind a little bit. The first number right here is my tenth. The next one here is my hundredth. The next one is my thousandth. And the next one is my 10,000th. Okay, that just refreshed my mind. Okay. So in this case, I'm also round this number to the nearest thousandth. So I have to know where the thousandth place is. So when I have 25.1237, the thousandth place should be, this is my tenth, hundredth, thousandth is the 3. So I'm just going to put a line right there. That tells me that's where everything should stop at. But what is going to happen to this thousandth place? Is it going to stay the same or it's going to go up? To find that out, I always check the next number right here. And if the next number is 5 or more, then I know this is going to go up. If it's less, then this will stay the same. And this is just going to go away. This just helped me figure out what's going to happen. So is this 5 or more? Yes, it's 7. 7 is more than 5. So that means my thousandth place is going to go up by 1. So this 3 is now going to be a 4. So now I'm looking at 25.12. I said this 3 is going to go up by 4. So we count 4. And again, this just helped me out, figure out what my thousandth place was going to be. So once it helped me out, it's gone. So that is my answer right there. Let's check the next one. So round 30.237 to the nearest tenth. So where is the 10th place is what I should ask myself. And I know the 10th place is this first number right here. So I'll put a line. I'm still going to check the next number to see what's going to happen to the 10th place. This is less than 5. So that means this will stay the same. And this just helped me. So I don't need it. So this stayed the same. So the answer to this should be 30.2. And that's it. Now let's see this one also. Round 6.3 to the nearest whole number. Whole number means I just need the number before the decimal point. which is that number. So I'll put a line right there. But I'm still going to check this number. If this is 5 or more, then this will go up. If it's less than 5, which it is, because it's 3, this will stay the same as 6. And then this just helped me out to figure out what was going to happen to this. I don't need it. So I'll just cancel it. So my answer is what? 6. Let's see this one also. Alright, I want to make sure I got this, okay? So here I'm supposed to round 52.595 to the nearest 100. So where is the 100th place at? This is my 10th. This is my 100th. So I put a line right here. But I'm still going to check this next number right here to see what's going to happen to that. The 100th place. But then this next number is 5 or more. So that means this is going to go up by 1. If this goes up by 1, it's going to be a 10. So with 10, I'm going to have to put 0, and then 1 will be added to this 5. So I remember this. This could be a little bit tricky. So when it's a 9, that's what happens. You add 1 to this, it becomes a 10. You put 0, then you add 1 to that. In this case, it becomes a 6. So now, again, this helped me figure out what my 100th place was going to be. So I don't need it now. So I'm going to just cancel that. So I have 52.60. That's my answer.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.